It's a quick test to show that it is working. It does have a little bit of hum. I don't know if you can hear it. But it's relatively quiet. And not the best typer. Has a little bit of ribbon left. It might need a new ribbon. I mean, it is really old, so, you know, that's to be expected. I'm not the greatest typer here with one hand and a camera, so forgive me for that. But anyway, you know, see, works. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about that. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know what else to... Pretty well functions. It's a well-functioning little typewriter. Comes with a case. Here we go. It's just a little case. It's got, you know, some spots from being stored and things like that. Smith Corona case. They do lock. I've got it plugged in right now, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, just a quick video to show you it works.